Today we are looking at a nice Davis feed mixer. This unit is in good, ready to run condition. We inspected all of the working components on this unit, the sprockets, the roller chain, the bearings, the idlers. Everything is in good shape and is ready to run for a long time. This unit is powered by a single phase, 5 horsepower electric motor. It's powered by 220 volts. I'm just going to do a walk around of the unit and then we're going to fire it up so you can see how well it runs. The slide gate where the mixed feed is discharged is controlled by this hand wheel here. Now, so it can sit on the pallet without risking breaking the wheel, we've removed it. Open it up so you can see the inside. It's very clean. The paddles show no signs of wear. It also has this nice heavy-duty steel grate here, so you can leave the lid open and dump feed into it while still being safe. Here you can see the unit running. It hums right along. It's nice and smooth, nice and quiet. There are no unusual noises. There's no scraping in the mixing chamber. The motor runs strong and starts strong. As I said before, we inspected all of the working components. Everything is in very good shape on this unit. The bearings, the sprockets, the roller chain. We can open up the mixing chamber here and you can see the paddles moving around. As I said before, the paddles show no signs of wear. All round nice unit, ready to go back to work for a long time.